Hey there, money magicians. Welcome back to our channel where we untangle the complex world of finance. Today, we're going to explore 10 unknown passive income streams you can start today. Let's get started. First up is peer-to-peer lending. Websites like Prosper and Lending Club allow you to become a microlender and earn interest on loans you provide to individuals and small businesses. Second, try your hand at creating an online course. If you have expertise in a specific area, consider sharing it through an online course on platforms like Udemy or Coursera. Once the course is created, it can provide income for years to come. Third, rent out your car. Apps like Turo allow you to rent out your car when you're not using it, earning you a handy passive income. Fourth, have you thought about creating a mobile app? If you've got a killer idea and some coding skills, you could create an app and earn income through in-app purchases or ads. Next, consider selling digital products on Etsy. You create the product once, like printables, digital art, or design templates, and then earn money every time it sells. Sixth, license a product idea. If you have a unique product idea but no interest in manufacturing, consider licensing your idea to a company for a royalty. Seventh, get involved in stock photography. Websites like Shutterstock or Getty Images allow you to sell your photos and earn a commission each time someone downloads them. Eighth, leverage renting your storage space. If you have extra storage in your home, you can rent it out to those in need. Ninth, ever thought of creating a YouTube channel? You can earn through ad revenue, channel memberships, and sponsored videos. Lastly, think about creating a podcast. If you have something to say and a unique way to say it, you could earn revenue through sponsorships, ads, and listener donations. There you have it, folks, 10 less known passive income streams you can start today. Remember, creating passive income takes time, creativity, and persistence. So, get started, and let your money work for you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more financial wisdom. Here's to your journey to financial freedom.